स्टार्ट हो गया. Namaskar, myself Deepak Maurya. I am going to teach you the Surya Namaskar. The first step is Samastiti, that is a normal in which we are just make our body relax. Make a 1 feet distance from the top of the mat. Now we will go for the Pranam Asana. Inhale and exhale. Now we will go for the Hastosthanasana, in which we will take the deep breath. Inhale. With the exhale, we will go for the Padasthanasana. Try to keep our back straight. Now we will move in the Ashu Sanchalanasana. In Ashu Sanchalanasana, first we will bend our knees, then we will put our hand on the mat, then we will keep our leg backward and keep the knees on the surface. And we will, in this position, we will inhale. Our front leg is 90 degree to the surface. All hand, toes and this hand are in one line. Now we will go in the Parvatasana by keeping our leg by keeping our toes downward, moving the knees upward and moving this right leg backward. With exhale, now we will go in the Ashtanga Pranamasana. In Ashtanga Pranamasana, we will keep our knees, chest and chin on the floor. With inhale and exhale. Now we will go in the Bhujangasana, keeping our body forward and inhale. In this case, our arms should be closer to the chest and face upwards. Now again we will move in the Parvatasana. With exhale, now we will move in the Ashu Sanchalanasana. In Ashu Sanchalanasana, we have to always keep this thing. Our toes should be flat and this leg should be 90 degrees. Inhale. Now we will move in the Padasthanasana. With exhale. Now Hastosthanasana with inhale and exhale with Pranam Asana. Now I am going to teach the same steps with fast forward with just only the word exhale and inhale. So Pranam with exhale and inhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale in Bhujangasana, exhale in Parvatasana, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Dhanyavad. Complete.